Today, I'll be giving a short critique about the Beatles album Rubber Soul. The sixth studio album by the Beatles, released in 1965. This album marked a turning point in their career, moving away from simple pop songs into more mature and experimental music. The lyrics explore deeper themes: love, self-reflection, and even social commentary, showing growth in their songwriting. Musically, the band experimented with folk, soul, and even in Indian influences, most notably with the sitar on Norwegian wood.
What makes Rubber Soul so impressive is its balance between catchy melodies and artistic innovation. However, some critics argue that while it pushed boundaries, it still feels transitional compared to the more groundbreaking albums that followed like a Revolver and Sgt. Pepper's. Overall, Rubber Soul is not just a collection of songs but a milestone that redefined what a pop album could be.